I'm Britta and this is Jeff with Bestop's marketing team. HighRock 4x4 is a line of super tough, heavy-duty products by Bestop. Today we're going to talk about HighRock 4x4 Oversize spare tire carriers. We have two versions, one for the YJ and TJ and one for the JK.
With the TJ spare tire carrier, our engineers came up with a really clever solution. It uses this parallel frame system, and that keeps your spare tire really close to your tailgate, and it operates with your tailgate. We think that's important so that instead of moving latches and pushing tires out of the way, you operate your tailgate exactly as normal. The difference is the weight of your tire is supported entirely by these brackets, which attaches to your tailgate here, but over here it attaches to the body of your Jeep and has brackets that go through it to your roll bar and down below to your frame. That means that the weight of your tire is 100% supported by the strongest parts of the back of your Jeep.
So this tire carrier holds a tire up to 200 pounds and 35 inches. So of course when you put a big oversized tire on your vehicle, you're going to have to move your brake light up. This kit comes with the extension for you to move your brake light up over the tire. The other great feature about this oversized tire carrier is this patented adjustment point. What it does is keeps your tire from rattling and keeps it really tight up against the tailgate. And of course, it's really easy to shut with the tailgate.
In 2007, our friends at Jeep made some significant changes to the JK model. So the JK spare tire carrier from Bestop is significantly different than the TJ model. The tailgate is now a 3-ply construction with some internal baffles and much stronger hinges. That means that the tailgate can support a tire that's up to 37 inches and 200 pounds. So the HighRock 4x4 spare tire carrier for JK mounts directly to the tailgate. But you still need to do a few things to take care of all that extra size and weight that the stock just won't allow you to do. So on the Bestop spare tire carrier, it's adjustable up and down so that your big tire can get out of the way of your bumper. And it also comes with an extension arm for your brake light so you can get it up above your new big tires. It's got these internal support brackets that you can fasten the tire up tightly against, and that keeps it from moving back and forth, because the worst thing that can happen with a spare tire is it starts to bend your tailgate. That's not going to happen with the Bestop spare tire carrier.
So the JK model, just like the TJ and YJ models, is made out of the heavy-duty steel with a powder coat finish. On the JK version, you don't have to do any drilling, so there's no need to put holes or anything into the body of your Jeep. And just like the TJ model, it closes the tailgate just like normal.
The JK model uses this race-inspired lockdown, which is really cool because it helps you keep it nice and tight up against your spare tire, and it gives room for a padlock here so you can keep your tires safe and secure. Big tires are one of the very first things that a lot of people add to their Jeeps, and so the Bestop HighRock 4x4 spare tire carrier is a great option.
If you want to learn more about the oversized tire carrier, just go to Bestop.com or visit a local authorized dealer installer near you.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.